Hi, Momenters. Hi, viewers. Today we have some breaking housing news by the Housing Agency of Jamaica coming out on Sunday, September 4th, 2022. They have a brand new housing development that is coming to Portmore, which features 148 units starting at an asking price of 22.1 million Jamaican dollars. But before we get into that for today, I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 20,100 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. But enough of the chattings, man, no one ready for the video. One ready? Run me intro. Alright, so I just want to give a channel update before we jump into this video. One, two of my batteries that I used to shoot the videos, the tour videos for you guys, were destroyed, and I've been trying to get replacements. I ordered some, and 2 weeks has passed or had passed. The manufacturer of the batteries said they shipped them out, but they weren't received by the shipping company. They sent out another set, and I'm still waiting to get those. So that has been a struggle for me. But not only that, I am working on a major project for you guys, something that will be so beneficial to each and every one of you. That has been taking up a bit of my time as well. So rest assured that more videos are coming. I haven't stopped doing what I'm doing. I have the battery issue, but also I'm working on something else that is taking up a bit of my time and will be taking up a bit of my time for September as well. So just stick by me and trust me. If all goes well, and even if all doesn't go well or how I anticipate it going, major things are coming for this channel in October. That is for sure. But let's jump into the video that you actually came here for. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for the continued support. Even though I haven't been posting, I realize that you guys still have been watching the videos, old videos, and I really appreciate that. All right, so like I was saying earlier, the HAJ, the Housing Agency of Jamaica, has announced that a brand new housing development called Sandown Palms is being sold right now. It is a gated community consisting of 148 housing solutions, a mix of 71 duplex townhouse units, and 6 standalone units of a similar design. The development is located approximately 20 kilometers west of Kingston and comprises of 5.2 hectares or 13 acres. Its location in the Portmore area allows easy access to the commercial hub of the three main town centers of Portmore, Spanish Town, and Kingston. Sandown Palms is also in close proximity to access points for Highway 2000 and the North-South Highway. The development is located across from the Ascot Group of Schools. Sandown Palms entrance will be taken from the Northwest 12th Street at the intersection with Northwest 11th Avenue. The starting cost will be 22,100,000, and then of course there will be increases as it pertains to if you're getting a bigger lot size than the standard lot size, and also for escalation in terms of if building materials and so on get more expensive over the period of time that you're developing this particular development. I do believe I know where this is, and I think I had recorded a video, or a friend of mine had sent me a video of this particular groundbreaking. So this place is not ready as yet. It's just being sold right now. And based on the video that my friend had sent me a few weeks back, who's from the Portmore area, you can see where they have dug up ground, but no major construction has begun to take place as yet. And speaking of which, don't think that I have forgotten that I still owe you guys a video on the different housing developments that I know of that are coming to Portmore. That video will be coming soon as well. I'm just trying to make that video somewhat of a special video and not just your run-of-the-mill informational type video like I'm doing now. I want to really make that video special, so that's why I'm taking a bit longer on it than anticipated. So yes, the starting cost is 22,100,000. Property type, townhouses, and then of course the six detached units which are will still be townhouse style. There'll be two bedroom, two bathroom homes. No number of lots. Well, you know that 71 lots plus the six detached units, and then the unit sizes will start from 107.6 square meters or 1,159 square feet, and the lot sizes will start at 145 square meters or 1,560 square feet. It says that it is expandable, but I don't know how you expand on a townhouse. If there are any construction buffs inside here, you guys can let me know or let the viewing public know, our viewers and momenters, down in the comment section below how you can expand on a townhouse. Or I don't know if they're speaking specifically to just the six detached units that will be sold. Commencement date is July 2022, so I guess that's what we've seen thus far happening based on the video that I saw, with them digging up the ground. The persons constructing this property will be NF Barnes Construction and Equipment Company Limited. Let's see what else is here. So there are some graphics with the plans. I'm going to put up some pictures of that right now so you guys can see the layout. The ground floor will be 579.9 square feet, and it will consist of the porch, living and dining room, kitchen, back patio, and yay, a laundry area. Of course, we know that go already. Most of these developments don't have a laundry area, so that's a big plus for this new up and coming development. The first floor will be 579.9 square feet, so the same as the ground floor, and you will have a balcony. You will have a bedroom number one to the front with a closet and a bathroom, and you have a linen closet as well upstairs. Then you'll have a second bedroom with its own bathroom and the and a closet as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular property. When can you apply? The application process actually opens Monday, September 5th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. The documents that you require to apply for a lot or a house is as follows: eligibility letter from the NHT or a pre-approval letter from another financial institution, your TRN number, a valid form of identification, for example, passport, driver's license, valid voter's ID, your birth certificate, and if you are a married lady, your marriage certificate. But that's it, and that is it for another Moments by Boothe video. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope for those who didn't know about it, this video piqued your interest and you can apply come tomorrow and hopefully get one of these units for yourself. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're looking to buy one of these, if you're looking to get one for yourself or get it to rent out, which I realize a lot of persons are doing right now. But yeah, that has been enough from me. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And you can help me to do that. And all you have to do is just to like this video if you actually like it and smash that subscribe button to help me out. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.